Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm a backup exists and that your passcode and Apple ID are to hand. Open Settings and locate Battery and Privacy. This primes the phone. Once done, enable Low Power Mode to halt most background activity. This reduces CPU, network fetches, and visual effects. Make sure you also note which apps use the most power in battery usage. Tap any entry to continue. This gets you out of obvious drains immediately and prepares for the deeper shutdown steps next. Next, stop services that silently drain power. Go to General Background App Refresh and choose off for Wi-Fi and cellular. Then go to Mail Accounts, fetch new data and switch to Manual, turn off Push. After that, open Privacy Location Services and set unneeded apps to Never or While Using. For many social apps, choose Never. Once done, reduce screen brightness and disable Raise to Wake. These cuts change how often the phone wakes and uses the battery. Finish by combining Low Power Mode with Airplane Mode when you want the phone to stop consuming almost all battery. This severs radios and background sync. If you still need connectivity, selectively re-enable Wi-Fi only. Make sure to monitor battery health in Settings. Battery health. A degraded capacity explains persistent drains. If settings don't stick, reboot the iPhone and reapply changes. Troubleshooting tip. If an app still shows high usage after these steps,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.